day everyone, and welcome to another video. And yes, I know that I haven't posted in a while, maybe a month or two by now. You know, my last video was in December, the one with the turtles. I just wanted to, come on here, give you guys like a little update, share my thoughts, and maybe why you're not seeing as many videos on the channel. Or take a look at the seagulls. I would sit on the wall. As you can see, the weather has been a bit windy and rough these days. A lot of rain, so water is splashing up. So if I sit on the wall, I just might get wet. Why haven't you been seeing much of me posting? Well, there are a few reasons. Like in December, I actually did a lot of tours. I took a lot of people to Downs River, Ocho Rios, did like the bamboo rafting. A lot of people, about four or five different tours I did, and it was pretty good. I didn't record those tours. I didn't do a vlog. Let me take a sip. Yeah, I didn't do a vlog in those tours because, doing the vlog is, you have to think about, instead of concentrating on making sure everybody has a good time, although I will do that anyway, I still have to focus on the vlog and my camera and filming and that kind of thing. And then also, you guys seen Downs River a few times, you saw the bamboo rafting, you saw all those different things that I take people to, and they have a good time. I feel like I was showing you guys, and when I do my videos and I go places we've seen before, I feel like you guys have seen, like my channel is getting repetitious. You're seeing the same thing over and over again. And back to the point of doing the vlog. I have to kind of focus on the vlog while the tour is going on, get the shots. Not everybody's comfortable being on camera. And I just wanted to, just do those tours, let those people have a good time, and move on. But that last one I did with the turtles, that was really nice, right? And as you saw, my son was in that one. And a lot of the last few videos, you saw my son and my family were with me. And they were in Jamaica late last year for a few months, and it was fantastic having them here. So part of it is I'm kind of down because now when I roll, it's by myself. No, my daughter is with me, thankfully. But my son was, everywhere I go, he would go with me. Not anymore. The sea is rough, man. Check it out. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's usually so calm. It's so calm, and the water is usually crystal clear. Anyway. Let's talk about it, like the name of this video, YouTube Burnout. Over the past few months you've been hearing about it. You've heard about big YouTubers who've been quitting the platform or talking about YouTube Burnout. And believe me, that's a thing. I spend a lot of time doing the video, like making sure I walk with my camera, get the shots, and then I have to spend time getting the right music and spend a lot of time editing because I want my videos to look and feel a certain way. And if you're, my God, I actually got wet. I'm parked up on the side of the road and water splashed me. If my videos can't be of a certain quality, shout! By God, check it out. Wet. This is water on my glass. I actually have to close the door because I'm my goodness, trying to dry my car from getting soaked just now there. These are all electronics, you don't want to leave them wet. And this is salt water too. Oh boy. Alright, so my door is closed, so I shouldn't get soaked just by sitting on the side of the road trying to talk to you guys. And there are planes. You see that? The plane is taking off the other direction. Usually they land here. They're taking off. Anyway, so as I was saying, there is this on YouTube, there's a lot of people talking about burnout, and there's a lot of big platform people, people who's been with YouTube for years and years and years with big followings who they're talking about burnout. They're either posting much less or they stop posting altogether. And believe me, YouTube burnout is a real thing. I spend a lot of time trying to ensure my videos is of a certain quality. I like my videos to have a certain clip to keep moving. I know a lot of you complain that my videos are too short, but I have a tendency to want my videos to move, and not get boring. It takes effort. It takes a lot of effort to, one, do the video, to have the camera with you all the time, to record where you're going. Secondly, to keep it interesting. As I said, I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over. And you guys have seen a lot of the vlogs that I do. I feel like I'm going back over the same places and I'm boring you guys. Thirdly, the editing process is a long process. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort. And then after all of that, when you post up a video that I'm so proud of, like that last video I did with my son and we went and we did the and we released the turtles back into the ocean. It was such a fantastic experience, unique experience, and I really enjoyed putting that video together. And I allowed that video to be longer. It took a while to put together. And then when I post it hasn't really crossed even 300 views yet. Now again, I don't do this for a job. Alright, this is a hobby, okay? I don't get any kind of money from this. It costs way more money for me to do the videos because my channel is not big. You know, I have 13,000 subscribers, but my average views is 300 or less, or if it goes above 300, 400, that's good. Sometimes I'll do a video, it'll get 1,000 views after a week or two. You know, but when you do and you spend so much time, it's about sharing. You know, that's what the whole platform and social media is about. It's about sharing, and then you put in so much effort, and I feel like the video is not being seen. Now, I must say, I do have a set of core people who, if you look at all my videos, you'll see them commenting and, you know, giving me support and whatnot. You guys are the ones that keep me going because, you know, I always want to kind of put some content up for you. But I hope everyone understands that it's a bit disheartening at times to do videos and to put so much effort, and 200, 300 views. It feels like, look, another plane is taking off. You see what I mean? It's usually coming in. This one is going out. Interesting. I'll have to maybe do a video of planes going that way, but I'm not going underneath there to get a plane because last time I fell, goddamn. Anyway, you guys know. That's basically what's going on. I'm missing my family. I'm missing my son being with me all the time, having my family home in Jamaica. It's always good when the unit is together, you know what I mean? And secondly, I feel like I'm repeating myself. You guys tell me if I'm boring you when I put up videos that you've seen. Burnout. I'm a bit tired. And also, I want to share. And I don't have the time to do like the SOE and the marketing and to really push the channel. As I said, this is a hobby on the side. So I know like I could put in much more work to do things, to get videos and more views and whatnot. But I honestly just don't have the time. You know, I'm not getting younger. These things tire me out. Yes, TikTok is a big thing and I should be putting up TikTok videos. I should be cutting up my videos into shorter videos and posting it on TikTok. But everything that I mention takes effort. It takes time, and I know I might be sounding like I'm complaining. I'm just trying to be as open and honest with you guys as possible, you know? There are one or two ideas I have for videos that I hope you guys would look at, but I'm going to try to get myself together and go out there and do some videos for you. But I hope you understand this little break. You know, I want to know if all the effort I'm putting into it is worth it. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, I always do appreciate the support. I always do appreciate the comments I get from this core group of viewers that I have that support the channel. I always do appreciate it. As always, remember to leave a like, remember to share, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Okay? Bye. That was a good piece of wet that I get just now there. My goodness gracious. Least thing I expected to do, the least I expected is to get wet. Sitting on in my car, making a video for you guys. Last thing I expected was to get wet.